I have not cleaned up this room yet. Somebody just really pissed me off, to be honest with you, on my Facebook. And I had to sit down for a second and write that person back, because this person, I don't even know who it is. It's a complete stranger, to be honest with you. It's nobody I know personally. But it's something important. This person comments on one of my pictures. I posted a picture and I said 1 or 2. It was a picture of showing my abs, and in one picture it was a light pink bra, and in the other picture was a hot pink bra. I just said 1 or 2, whatever. It's just a way to get engagement because of this social media crap algorithm, okay? That's what that was about. Behind the scenes, that's what that was about. It had nothing to do about my abs. However, I did talk about my abs because I have gained weight, and I want everybody to know that this is a mental game. How to get fit, lose weight is a mental game. It's all about mental and choices, okay? So this person comments that I'm obsessed over my body. Okay, listen. We are all human here. Let's be honest. You are obsessed about your hair, your nails, your face, your feet, television, video games, Netflix, potato chips, candy, chocolate, pizza, pasta, McDonald's, Subway, Domino's, furniture shopping, model home visiting, education, books, iPhone, iPad, Roblox, Minecraft, YouTube, clothes, shoes, bags, whatever. Everyone who is human is obsessed with something, okay? I'm sorry. I would rather be obsessed with living a healthy life and trying to maintain a healthy mind and a healthy body. So excuse me if you, stranger, who does not know Karina, who does not live in this hotel room, who does not live in my head, who did not raise me, who is not even my friend, who has never even heard my voice on the phone, can think whatever they want. Because they are obsessed with something too, but they are way too embarrassed to share that on social media. Okay? So everyone is obsessed with something. And the reason there are haters and trolls, and call them whatever you want, is because their mommy did not teach them food, how to be nice, how to have respect, how to live a healthy life. And so anytime you old people see something on social media and it bothers you, that's because your mommy did not teach you how to be happy with yourself and not to be bothered by strangers. And this is exactly what I am doing, and this is exactly what you girls Eat You Way Too Fit are doing, is trying to undo what our past has created. That is all what we're doing, is undoing the past that we're all unhappy about. And we're all moving forward, trying to redo the past and be happy mentally up here and physically. Raise your hand if you agree. Yes? Do over. Exactly. Do over. So because this person pissed me off, I figured, let me show you what my life has been to try and come to a 9 o'clock class, and I'll be done talking here in a second, because this has been my life for the last 6 months, people, okay? Are we seeing the bed? Are we seeing this bed, okay? This is the hotel bed. This is where my kids sleep. And this is my morning every single day after I drop off my kids in school. I have to somehow figure out this stupid blanket with a stupid duvet and how to make this stupid bed. Okay? I am so over doing this every day. Every day. This blanket is like just freaking annoying. Okay? That is what I have to do every morning. God, I just really needed to vent because 14 more days I'm done making the bed for you people because I cannot stand going live online and not having a made bed. Oh God, I really needed to do that. All right, you guys are ready? Well, it's just this blanket, you know, it's a duvet, so the blanket like falls in the duvet because it doesn't have clips.